Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders weekly forex outlook. Hope you did trade well last week, and hope you did get some good trades, because there were good trades on the market. Okay, let's get back to the business of today. Who's speaking? It's Zweli. Don't forget to subscribe to our family and join us, and do share if you are a regular. Always subscribe or always watch our videos. If you like what we are doing, please do share our videos. Okay, we're going to start with gold on 4-hour time frame, what we are expecting next week. Okay, right, on gold, if you can check here, we are still in a correction. Okay, this correction did break here, so if you did take a trade from here, it's bad because it's not a good trade. Why I'm saying this? Because you should trade on 1 hour or 15 minutes or 30 minutes if you have that 30-minute time frame. Okay, so now what we are expecting on gold, as the market did give us a break here, now we are in a correction. We're expecting this to give us a one more up move to come and test this roof. Then we'll be looking for our drop. Okay, then how are we going to trade or to take your trade on gold? We can look for 1 hour. Let's go into 1 hour and see if you're going to get any trade set up. Okay, right, it's a bit messy at the current state, so I'll advise you for you to let the market to move slowly here. Then I can look for an impulse here on lower time frame, 15 minutes or 30 minutes impulse, then a correction, then you can take the trade. Okay, or you can wait for the market to come and test this zone, then you can put your entry here, then you drop. Okay, so will we still biased to a downside on gold? Then let's go to our next pair, that will be silver. Then on silver, what we are expecting, still expecting this correction to play out. Okay, this 1 2 3 and expanding triangle, it's expecting this triangle to break out. So how are you going to trade? If you can take this buy, do manage your trade well, but from this current price here, you can look for an impulse, a correction, then you can take that drop. Okay, so you'll be expecting a drop on silver. Then if the market tends to give an impulse, break this roof, then a correction, then you can take one more buy. Okay, if you see this correction, it can come and test this roof or break above. Okay, so you'll be watching, but we are not anticipating this kind of move. Okay, we are looking for drop on silver, but I'm showing you the two possibilities on how we trade on Rev Daily Traders. Okay, because the wave strategy gives you an edge in the market to see possible moves. Okay, then let's go to a lower time frame and see how possible we can take this buy. Okay, here you see 1 2, you can expect this to come lower again, come and take this price, then you can look for impulse correction, then you can take that trade. Okay, this will be still your B wave or A move. This is your 1, expecting a 2, then a 3, then you can look for a down move on silver. Do trade well on silver, guys. Okay, then we'll go to our next pair, that will be DXY. Right, on DXY, we got a big drop on DXY, guys. Okay, we are anticipating the move to be a corrective structure but the market tend to give us a aggressive move. Then we took our risk after taking a sell from here. Then we were waiting for the market to correct here, okay, to continue for a drop. So now the market did push again on lower time frame, 15 minutes, then to give us another trade from here, okay. We took another trade, put a stop behind. Then if you're still in this drop, to manage a trade, we are expecting a bigger correction here, then a drop, okay. Expect a correction for you to take a trade. Don't take a trade here. To wait for the market to give you any kind of pattern for you to take that drop, okay. We'll be looking for a drop on DXY, okay. Or if you are looking for a buy, then wait for the market to give you an impulsive move, then a correction here, then you can take that buy, okay. But be cautious if you're taking that buy on DXY. Then it'll go to a lower time frame and see how we're going to tackle the market, okay. We'll watch closely. This was our sell, okay, and our first sell was here. After getting this running flag, we took a sell here for us to go down. So now we'll be expecting the price to give you a bigger correction here, okay, a bigger correction, then a drop. Are you looking for buy on DXY? Then we can let this to correct here, give you 1, 2, 3 structure. Then you can take your trade here, let the market to break this roof, then a correction again, up move, then let the market to go and test the previous roof there, okay. So now two things we'll be expecting: this buy or a bigger correction here, then a drop, okay, is what we are seeing on DXY. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Euro USD, right? And Euro USD, and for our time frame, guys, after breaking this floor with this down move, then the market did turn around, okay. So we'll be expecting, after getting your buys here, okay, take your profit here or put your stop loss in a good position. We're expecting this correction for us to go up, okay. We're expecting this correction for a rise, so watch for a correction around when the market opens or gives you a Monday or Tuesday. We'll see how the market reacts here, okay. Then we'll get that buy on Euro USD. Do trade well on Euro USD. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be pound dollar, right? On pound dollar, here we're expecting a correction, guys, okay. So the market did give us a deeper correction. There were buying opportunities around here for you to take the trade to expose this zone, okay. Then look for a down move again. So now the market did give a aggressive move. So now after getting this down move, do expect a correction here, okay. Do expect a correction for you to take the trade, expecting this to be exposed, that roof, okay. How we are seeing our TP, guys, I did show you on our last video that we are taking our Fibonacci and measure our impulse and a correction, then this will give us a TP zone. Okay, that will be our TP after getting this correction for a down move. Okay, so we'll be expecting that that down move, okay, on pound dollar. So we'll go to our next pair, that will be NZD-USD. On NZD-USD, we did get that deep correction and come to take this previous roof. Then now we got an aggressive move. Okay, so expect a correction here, expect a correction, then we can take the drop to expose this roof. We have still bias on downside on NZD-USD. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar again, guys. After getting this correction, we're expecting a one more up move than a down, but we are not buying around this zone, okay, because it was a risky trade because it's high. Okay, then we were waiting to let the market to come and take this zone, then expect a correction, a impulse, a correction, then a drop. Now we got an aggressive move on Aussie dollar, so to expect a correction, then a drop. Okay, then if you are looking for a buy on Aussie dollar, you let this to give a correction, then a drop again, a 1 2 3 structure, then an up move. Okay, there are two things that you should expect on Aussie USD. So but at the current state or next week, we'll be looking for this down move to happen. Okay, then we'll go to our last pair, that will be USD ZAR. Okay, on USD ZAR, remember we're buying here, then this was a break-even trade. Okay, this was a break-even trade. Then we'll now what to expect, because they were drop here on lower time frame. Okay, short trades, but we didn't take them because we are still biased to upside. Okay, now the market did bounce again here. Okay, now what you're looking for, this correction to come and take this zone and break here. Okay, we'll see if we are getting this break or the market is going to give us a one more low, then use this 1 2 3 this pattern for this impulse. Okay, we'll get this impulse around this zone. Okay, guys, so on dollar ZAR, you'd be expecting two things, but what we are seeing, a correction here and then a buy to trade and manage your trade well. This can break out or it can turn, okay, after giving us a new roof there. Okay, so you look for a correction, then a buy. Okay, guys, if you can check on bigger time frame, you can say that we are much complete this pattern, but the market can give us a drop again here. Okay, for us to get this pattern, then a buy again. Okay, so we'll be cautious with our buy, but it will be not risky that much. Okay, because it can break up aggressively again, because we are still expecting this up move. Okay, so do trade well, guys. We'll see you next week on our weekly outlook. Do share our video and do subscribe if you are new to this channel. Okay, have a nice week and trade with care. Let's learn